Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw assets from Canva Teams projects linked to ClickUp, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Canva account. Navigate to the Canva Teams section of your dashboard. Select the team that contains the projects you wish to withdraw assets from. Open the specific project within that team. Identify the assets you want to withdraw, such as images, elements, or designs. Click on the asset to open it in the design interface. On the top right corner, look for the download icon. Click on the download icon to reveal download options. Choose the desired file type for the asset you want to save. If applicable, select the page number if you are downloading a multi-page design. Once your selections are made, click the download button. The asset will begin downloading to your computer. Now, switch to your ClickUp account. Navigate to the task or project where you wish to add the Canva asset. Look for the attachments section within that task or project. Click on the Upload button or drag and drop the downloaded asset directly. After uploading, make sure to save or update the task to confirm the changes. Repeat these steps for any additional assets you need to withdraw from your Canva Teams projects. Once finished, review your ClickUp task to ensure all assets are appropriately linked. Your assets are now successfully withdrawn and transferred to ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.